Welcome to our channel. Why we want and like to be different? One secret, I'm also one of the person like you. We are all to be different. For what? For who? For why? What is wrong is to be same in all. There is nothing to be wrong. But we don't like to be as a same variant. Even in that Puranas period, that old and golden periods, we say that. Even that, there is a cloning baby of Duryodhana. In that period, that is, don't put that name like cloning, but that Duryodhana's 100 brothers are all different in little bits in that. Even one of that Duryodhana brother is in Pandava side. He is also so different, right? It's okay. Is it okay? I'm not like him. I'm not like her. Why? Even we don't like to wear the same designs. We are all like to be separate from others. Is it good? You see, there is no good and bad. There is only a stable state. That is a constant. It's all depend upon our thoughts and our gathering experience and learning or our stages, our points. We are all in which point, which level. In our side, we say that is correct. In your side, that is your point of view is right. That's it. In scientifically, that is a proven. It may break the rules, right? Even that one scientist can prove and one this is correct. When later on period that another one younger scientist will come, that he will prove that this is a right. He break that rule, right? Even that science itself, there is lot of proven again, prove by him, prove by his, her, like that. It may prove another by their another way, by their another laws. In all, there is some kind of this in science, but that is not to be fully wrong. It is a base, and it is a way to be accurate and perfect. But this will continue proven by another younger scientist at all. This is similar in ours. We are all the same and equal. I'm not telling that all we are human, because we are all brothers and sisters, because we are all from the one of the same family in olden days, right? We are all from that family itself. I am telling all the souls, all the creatures are made by one small spark. All that animals, birds, small creatures, non-living things, living things, because there are all are what I am saying, all are full of that kind of sparks, that kind of source energy, right? So differences in variations is change little by little into myself looking in all my surrounding. Even our naturals of a river, mountain, and all this. I am also telling that wall also you are looking that mirror image, right? Your copy, your carbon copy, or whatever your words you all want you to put it there. We are looking ourselves in all. I am also trying to be like that. I'm telling you to share, and we are all one, right? That's why I'm sharing. Thank you. Thank you all. Thank you all.